Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to set up the date and time for your blood pressure monitor. Once you remove the sticker, make sure to put the batteries in or use the AC adapter. Plug the adapter cable into the AC adapter port on the right side of monitor. Once it is plugged and the monitor is unlocked, the screen will turn on. The year will flash on the screen. You can change the year by pressing the plus or minus, and then press enter to confirm. If you accidentally bypass the date and time and now you would like to fix it, all you have to do is make sure that your monitor is unlocked. Press and hold the time zone down for approximately 3 seconds until the year number starts to flash. Now you can change the year by pressing the plus or minus sign and pressing enter when you're done. Now you can change the month by the same thing using the plus and minus sign and press enter once you're done. Now they're going to ask you for the time. And now we're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button.